learners, welcome back to OSHA Outreach Courses. It's Helen Rush, your friendly neighborhood safety manager and trainer. Are you ready to learn about staying safe on the job? On the success of our OSHA 10-hour construction training video study guide. Today, we're diving into our brand new OSHA 30-hour construction training study guide. This guide is jam-packed with everything you need to know about keeping yourself and your coworkers safe on construction sites. Think of this guide as your secret weapon to navigating the world of OSHA regulations. We'll be using construction site videos and clear pictures to make learning about safety interesting and easy to understand. Alright, so we have 23 modules to explore, but today we're tackling Module 1. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Now, let's get started. Module 1, Introduction to OSHA and the Occupational Safety and Health Act. It is all about understanding the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Imagine OSHA as a superhero whose superpower is keeping workplaces safe. Now let's explore Module 1. It consists of 3 insightful lessons. Now, let's delve into the first chapter, where we unpack the authoritative powers of OSHA. Inspections are the backbone of OSHA's enforcement efforts. OSHA has inspectors who are like safety detectives. They visit workplaces to make sure everything is safe and up to code. These inspectors can investigate anything, anytime, and they can talk to workers privately. There are different reasons why OSHA might visit a work site. Sometimes it's because of a serious accident, other times because a worker complained about something unsafe. OSHA also targets inspections to places where there's a high risk of getting hurt. Here are different types of inspections. After an inspection, OSHA might issue a citation, which is basically a warning ticket for safety violations. There are different kinds of violations and their penalties. But here's the good news. Employers and workers both have rights. Employers have to listen to OSHA and fix any safety problems they find. Workers have the right to a safe workplace and to report any safety hazards without getting in trouble. By working together, OSHA, employers, and workers can make construction sites safer for everyone. Now, let's test your knowledge with some quick questions. Alright, ready for round 2? In our next chapter, we'll explore who OSHA covers and who they don't. OSHA extends its protective umbrella over a wide range of employees and employers under federal government authority. This coverage is either directly provided by federal OSHA or through an OSHA-approved state program. The sectors covered include general industry, construction, maritime, and certain agricultural activities. But who falls outside the scope of OSHA's coverage? Unemployed or self-employed workers generally aren't covered unless they're incorporated. Immediate members of farm families who don't employ outside workers also fall outside OSHA's jurisdiction. Additionally, there are certain sectors exempt from OSHA regulations. Understanding who OSHA covers is important, so let's answer some questions to make sure this sticks. In our final chapter, let's delve into state plans. State plans are OSHA-approved programs operated by individual states, offering an alternative to federal OSHA oversight. These plans must meet stringent criteria, ensuring their standards, enforcement programs, and voluntary compliance activities are at least as effective as federal OSHA. There are over 20 states with state plans, which means a lot of people are covered by these programs. Knowing about state plans helps everyone involved in construction stay on the right side of safety regulations. Let's answer some questions to solidify this concept. Remember, reporting unsafe conditions is crucial. Your vigilance can help prevent accidents and keep everyone safe. Here is how you can report any violation. If you have any questions, comment down below. We love to hear from you. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll conquer Module 2. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach courses.